Everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and I'm going to do the budget toys at Ross. They have some things I want to get today. For example, they have this new Barbie, number 225. Really beautiful hair, pink lips, pink dress, and some kind of low heel pink shoes I love. So I'm going to get this one, but I'll be right back. I'm going to show you what else. Oh no, don't fall. Don't fall. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to keep it up there. So it's only $3.99. Can you believe it? So I'm gonna get that one. They also have, let's see, Barbie. There's a maze on back, but she has wings, purple hair, butterfly wings, purple legs. Where are her shoes? This one is $6.99. I don't want anything to fall. So the next one is the Barbie Dream Besties. This is Brooklyn. She's got a blue jacket. She's holding a dog. I've seen this one here before, but it's still here. And I opened one the other day. The accessories are awesome. This one is by Mattel for $11.99. Okay. I'll do the top shelf first. Here's Barbie and Stacy to the rescue. It's definitely Chelsea, so I don't know why it says that. It's like a birthday party. This one is $5.99. Here's Hello Kitty and Friends. Hello Kitty, Pom Pom Purin, My Melody, Karopi, Karomi, Cinnamon Roll, Salty Snacks. Series 1, Mix and Match. I have this one at home. I'm going to open this one soon. And it is $12.99. They have, this is LOL Surprise Squish Sand Magic Hair 2-pack. My hair is sand. I haven't seen this one before. Squish, Reveal, Mix, Mold, and Repeat. And this one is $14.99. They have a bunch of those too. Rainbow Loom Glow. What's back there? A slime. I can't reach that. Alright, let's see what else they have. Kinetic Sand, Soft Serve Station. And this one is $6.99, made with natural sand. Rainbow Loom Glow Party Treasure Box, $8.99. Softy Dough Super Soft Modeling Compound Sweet Scents. There's watermelon, peppermint, cake, cupcake. Here's Slimy Gloop Slimy Sand, and it's scented. And it is $3.99. The Softy Dough is $4.99. So they have Butter Cloud, Stretch It, Swirl It, Silky Buttery Compound. Comes in this bucket, and it is $7.99. And they have Ice Cream Sundae 13 pieces for ages 3 and up for $4.99. Alright, trying to find some stuff. It's like mixer playset. Strawberry World of Strawberry Shortcake Paint, a 7-inch ceramic stone. And this is $5.99. They have Strawberry Shortcake Paint Your Own Planter for $5.99. One Punch Man. Disney Junior Minnie Mouse Happy Helpers Phone. And this is $11.99. They have Disney Stitch character case. Candy is included. I see candy down there. And this one's $7.99. You get 2 stitches with it. Oh, you put candy in the back of the head. And the door opens. And this looks fun. Here is a Barbie cash register.
Slide your card.
Slide your card. Comes with money. All right, and of course, see, I already showed you the Barbie. Here's Disney Wish Asha, and this one is $2.99. I don't have that one, but not today, not today. I'm gonna get this one. But here is Zuru Sparkle Girls Little Friends collection. It's about the size of Chelsea. So it'll be a nice little set to get for Chelsea clothes. It's $19.99. They have many brands. Series 2 Foodies. Unbox Epic Frozen Moment Minis. See? This is $10.99 for 2 of them. They have Play-Doh. $14.99 for this big bucket. 30 plus parts. 10 cans and 3 mini play sets. Here's another Play-Doh kitchen popcorn, $11.99. Some Dino Smashers. Here's a beach quad with Bandit, Bluey. Create your own Bluey adventures, and this one is $8.99. They have Bingo's helicopter, $8.99. Here's Sonic the Hedgehog, $5.99. MM2, $9.99. Pretty Princess, the jewelry, classic jewelry dress-up game, plus 20 jewelry pieces for $9.99. Brookhaven, 12 pieces, Brookhaven's Most Wanted, and this one's $7.99. Here's another Disney Junior Mini Boutique Cash Register.
Isn't this fun?
Let's see how much this is. $11.99. See how much this Bluey thing is. Hold on. Paint your own stepping stone for ages 8 and up, and this one is $5.99. Put this back. So here's Hatchimals Alive Sparkly Surprise, and this one is $8.99. Whoa, almost knocked this doll over, Little Darlings. Loving Giggles, try me. My legs kick. Look at those eyes. Okay, so here is a backpack beauty set. Pretty neat. Has a handle. Trying to find a price on it. Oh, there it is, $10.99. And here's BFF, Unbox Fashion Dolls. Get one of these 6 dolls. 6 to collect, BFF, never heard of it really. $6.99. Got a lot of stuff with it. What is this? Here's My Busy Books. Includes a storybook, 10 figures, and a playmat. Oh, neat. Little Disney characters. And Disney Junior, $8.99 for that one. Put it back. Disney Princess Jewelry, $10.99. Sandy Snacks a Lot. There's Play-Doh Dentist Teeth, $4.99. Counter Series, Toy Chef. Boy, this thing's huge. And it is $14.99. They have Try Me Swim and Splash Elmo, $7.99. Here's Action Bubble Blower Mickey Mouse with a guitar for $9.99. They have Paw Patrol by Nickelodeon. Hold on, let me pick this up. So you get these 3 deluxe mini tower play set. Oh, don't keep falling. Oh goodness, I pressed the button. Okay, by Nickelodeon. This one is $14.99. No. How do I turn that off? So that's what you get inside. It's tower play set for $14.99. This is much more expensive at Walmart. And there's some big stuff down there. Dolls with baby bottles. And oh, here is a Hello Kitty 20 tiny real working stationery inside. Hello Kitty 50. It says Hello Kitty Anniversary. It's furry backpack. It shows you what all's inside. And this one is $14.99. And makeup set. What is down here? They have a Barbie helicopter for $16.99. And a Barbie pink car. Oh, it's got a Barbie inside with a dress on. Let me try to turn it over. I got one hand. There it is. Her dress is kind of neat. And this is $19.99. I cannot move that around. I'm having trouble with that Barbie. Okay, here is Zuru Pets Alive. Cuddly talking birds that repeat what you say for $11.99. It's a surprise inside. Hatchimals Alive, Love to Life. Hatches like a real egg. $6.99 for that one. Here's a 2-pack of twins. Look at their eyes. Strawberry and watermelon. They're scented. It says they're scented. I don't smell anything. $8.99. Okay, guys. Oh, I didn't see this one. Okay, first of all, here's Unicorn Academy. Sophia. Really pretty doll. This one is $7.99 for Sophia. And they have Cleo Denial. Beautiful hair. Posable. Comes with a dressing table and accessories. This is a big set for $19.99. There's Fluffy Clouds. Scented compounds. $6.99 for 5 of them. Mini brands. Home. 60 plus to collect. You get little home accessories. 2-pack for $11.99. They have Mega Gross Minis. 2-pack for $8.99. Here's mini brands. 5 minis inside. Don't know what you'll get. 2-pack for Where's the price? $8.99. Here is Minnie Brands 2-pack fashion. Look at some of the stuff you can get. 80 different designs, $11.99. Here's the Foodies Unbox Epic Frozen Moment Minis. 2-pack for $10.99. There's Minnie Brands. Those look like scary creatures. Epic Gold Minis, $11.99 for a 2-pack. Here's Minnie Brand sneakers. A 2-pack for $9.99. Okay, this is boys. Okay, anyway, they have a lot of cool stuff at Ross, and I'm gonna get this Barbie right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I think it's only $3.99. Yeah, it's only $3.99. I'm gonna get this one. And we are budget shopping at Ross in Florida.